starting with words. Starting with words. The English alphabet has 26 letters. They are arranged in a fixed order. You can write these letters in two forms: capital letters, small letters. Capital letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, small letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W X Y Z. Word building. Word building. Words are formed by joining two or more letters in a meaningful way. I plus S becomes is. G plus O becomes go. D plus O becomes do. Words are formed by joining two or more letters in a meaningful way. C plus O plus W becomes cow. D plus O plus G becomes dog. B plus O plus Y becomes boy. We use words to talk to each other. We use words to express our ideas or feelings. We cannot speak or write a language without words. A word is a group of letters joined in a particular order to give a particular meaning. Wrong order of letters gives no meaning. R-I-A-D does not make any sense, but I-S becomes is. R-A-E does not make any sense, but A-R-E becomes R-E-A-D. W-C-O, no sense, but C-O-W, cow. P-C-A, no sense, but C-A-P becomes cap. A-H-N-D, no sense. H-A-N-D, hand. O-O-B-K, no sense. But B-double-O-K, book. Number of letters in a word. A word may have one or more than one letter. One letter words. There are only two words of one letter in the English language. I and ah. I is used by the speaker or the writer to refer to himself. A means any or one. Let's read some examples of 2, 3 and 4 letter words. 2 letters words. N, in, ox, at, us, off. 3 letter words are egg, and, day, rat, toy. 4 letter words cock, book, desk, baby, 4, city. Spellings. The writer form of a word is called its spelling. Sometimes we make a mistake in order of letters while writing a word. Such a mistake is called the spelling mistake. So, knowledge of correct order of letters is necessary to write the correct spelling of a word. Spellings: incorrect, correct. SNU, snow. Incorrect. SUN, sun. EARE, eerie. Incorrect. YEAR, year is correct. EYE, incorrect. EYE, I, correct. DRBI, Dobby, incorrect. BIRD, bird, correct. GRLI, gully, incorrect. GIRL, girl, correct. RAOD, road, incorrect. ROAD, road, correct. OSER, ozer, incorrect. ROSE, rose, correct. BATO, bato, incorrect. BOAT, boat, correct.